Om. 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 श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यम् राम नाम वरानने। आपदामपहर्तारम् दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं पुंसां महापातकनाशनम्। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Valmiki Ramayana session. We are in Balakanda. We have finished verse 48 chapters, last 30 to go. And today we'll start directly with 49th chapter. So it is at the intercession of the gods, Indra is supplied with testicles of Rama. Alya gets back a pristine celestial form at the very sight of Sri Ram, the moment he enters the hermitage, and the two divine brothers are entertained by the lady with the help of her husband. This is the topic that we are going to see. Let us start off. So, want to volunteer? Please, hands. Vinama, your camera is off. You would like to chat? Lalita, we start with you. 49th chapter. एक अथैकोनपञ्चाशः सर्गः। अफलस्तु ततः शक्रः
अफलस्तु ततः शक्रः देवानग्निपुरोगमान्
अब्रवीत्रस्तनयनः सिद्धगन्धर्वचारणा
सिद्धगन्धर्वचारणान्
कुर्वता तपसो विघ्नम् गौतमस्य महात्मनः क्रोधमुत्पाद्य हि मया सुरकार्यमिदं कृतम्।
अफलस्तु ततः शक्रः देवानग्निपुरोगमान् अब्रवीत्रस्तनयनः सिद्धगन्धर्वचारणान् कुर्वता तपसो विघ्नम् गौतमस्य महात्मनः क्रोधमुत्पाद्य हि मया सुरकार्यमिदं कृतम्।
Deprived of his testicles, Indra with timid eyes then sought the presence of and spoke to the gods headed by Agni, the god of fire, as well as to the Siddhas, Gandharvas, and Charanas as follows. Hampering as I did the austerities of the high soul Gautama by exciting his wrath and thereby foiling his attempt to claim my throne, I have only just served the cause of gods. अफलस्तु ततः शक्रः देवानग्निपुरोगमान् अब्रवीत्रस्तनयनः सिद्धगन्धर्वचारणान् कुर्वता तपसो विघ्नं गौतमस्य महात्मनः मुखमुत्पाद्य हि मया सुरकार्यमिदं कृतम् अफलोऽस्मि कृतस्तेन
अफलोऽस्मि कृतस्तेन
क्रोधात् सा च निराकृता
क्रोधात् सा च निराकृता
शापमोक्षेण महता
शापमोक्षेण महता
तपोस्यापहृतं मया
तपोस्यापहृतं मया
तन्मां सुरवराः सर्वे
तस्मान् सुरवराः सर्वे
सर्षिसङ्घाः सचारणाः
सर्षिसङ्घाश्चचारणाः
सुरकार्यकरं यूयम्
सुरकार्यकरं यूयम्
सफलं कर्तुमर्हथ
सफलं कर्तुमर्हथ अफलोऽस्मि कृतस्तेन क्रोधात् सा च निराकृता शापमोक्षेण महता तपोस्यापहृतं मया तन्मान् सुरवराः सर्वे सर्षिसङ्घास्तचारणाः सुरकार्यकरं यूयं सफलं कर्तुमर्हथ.
In a fit of anger, I have accordingly been deprived of my virility, and Ahalya too has been disowned by him. He has thus been robbed by me of his spiritual energy by being incited to pronounce a great curse on me as well as on his wife. Therefore, with the cooperation of the host of seers and celestial bards, O jewel among gods, you should all see me restored to my manhood since I have served the cause of gods. अफलोऽस्मि कृतस्तेन क्रोधात् सा च निराकृता शापमोक्षेण महता तपोस्यापहृतं मया तन्मां सुरवराः सर्वे सर्षिसङ्घाः सचारणाः सुरकार्यकरं यूयं सफलं कर्तुमर्हथ शतक्रतोर्वचः श्रुत्वा
शतक्रतोर्वच श्रुत्वा
देवासाग्निपुरोगमाः
देवासाग्निपुरोगमाः
पितृदेवानुपेत्याहुः
पितृदेवानुपेत्याहुः
सर्वे सह मरुद्गणैः
सर्वे सह मरुद्गणैः
अयमेष स वृषणः
अयं मेषः सवृषणः
शक्रो ह्यवृषणः कृतः
शक्रो ह्यवृषणः कृतः
एषस्य वृषणौ गृह्य
मेषस्य वृषणौ गृह्य
चक्रायाशु प्रयच्छत्
शक्रायाशु प्रयच्छत शतक्रोधर्वच श्रुत्वा देवासाग्निपुरोगमाः पितृदेवानुपेत्याहुः सर्वे सह मरुद्गणैः अयं मेषः सवृषणः शक्रो ह्यवृषणः कृतः मेषस्य वृषणौ गृह्य चक्रायाशु प्रयच्छत्
Hearing the appeal of Indra, all the gods, accompanied by the batches of the wind gods with Agni at their head, approached the celestial mains, Stavya, Vahana, and others, and spoke to them as follows. Here is a ram full of virility, while Indra stands actually deprived of his manhood by curse from sage Gautama. Taking the testicles of the ram, pray transfer them at once to the person of Indra. Ram, huh? That is Mesha. We have that Mesha Rashi, that Ram. Okay, don't read it as Ram. Ram. Okay. I am Mesha. That Mesha is, from the Mesha Rashi, whatever is the sign of Aries, that Ram. Okay. शतक्रतोर्वच श्रुत्वा देवासाग्निपुरोगमाः पितृदेवानुपेत्याहुः सर्वे सह मरुद्गणैः अयमेष स वृषणः शक्रो ह्यवृषणः कृतः मेषस्य वृषणौ गृह्य शक्रायाशु प्रयच्छत अफलस्तु कृतो मेषः
अफलस्तु कृतो मेषः
तुष्टिं प्रदास्यति
परां तुष्टिं प्रदास्यति
भवतां हर्षणार्थं च
भवतां हर्षणानार्थं च
ये च दास्यन्ति मानवाः
ये च दास्यन्ति मानवाः
क्षयं हि फलं तेषाम्
अक्षयं हि फलं तेषाम्
यूयं दास्यथ पुष्कलम्
यूयं दास्यथ पुष्कलम्
अग्नेस्तु वचनं श्रुत्वा
अग्नेस्तु वचनं श्रुत्वा
पितृदेवा समागताः
पितृदेवा समागताः
both are short. उत्पाट्यमेष वृषणौ
उत्पाट्य मेषवृषणौ
सहस्राक्षे न्यवेशयन्
सहस्राक्षेऽन्यवेशयन् अफलस्तु कृतो मेषः परां तुष्टिं प्रदास्यति भवतां हर्षणार्थं च ये च दास्यन्ति मानवाः अक्षयं हि फलं तेषां यूयं दास्यथ अक्षयं हि फलं तेषां यूयं दास्यथ पुष्कलम् अग्नेस्तु वचनौ श्रुत्वा पितृदेवा समागताः उत्पाट्य वृषणः उत्पाट्य मेषवृषणौ सहस्राक्षे नवेशयन्.
Thank you, Lalita Ma. The castrated ram will surely afford you supreme satisfaction, nay, to those men indeed who will offer hereafter such a ram for propitiating you, will surely be conferred by you a handsome and undying reward. Hearing the intercession of Agni, the celestial mains unanimously agreed and removed the testicles of the ram and actually implanted them in the scrotum of Indra, the thousand-eyed god. फलस्तु कृतो मेषः परां तुष्टिं प्रदास्यति भवतां हर्षणार्थं च ये च दास्यन्ति मानवाः अक्षयं हि फलं तेषां यूयं दास्यथ अक्षयं हि फलं तेषां यूयं दास्यथ पुष्कलम् अग्नेस्तु वचनं श्रुत्वा पितृदेवा समागताः उत्पाट्यमेष वृषणौ सहस्राक्षे न्यवेशयन्. Lataji for next 8 verses. तदा प्रभृतिकाकुत्स्थ
तदा प्रभृतिकाकुत्स्थ
पितृदेवा समागताः
पितृदेवाः समागताः
अफलान् भुञ्जते मेषान्
अफलान् भुञ्जते मेषान्
फलैस्तेषामयोजयन्
फलैस्तेषामयोजयन्
इन्द्रस्तु मेषवृषणः
इन्द्रस्तु मेषवृषणः
तदा प्रभृति राघव
तदा प्रभृति राघव
गौतमस्य प्रभावेण
गौतमस्य प्रभावेण
तपसा च महात्मनः
तपसा च महात्मनः
तदा गच्छ महातेजः
तदा गच्छ महातेजः
आश्रमं पुण्यकर्मणः
आश्रमं पुण्यकर्मणः
तारयैना महाभागाम्
तारयैनां महाभागाम्
अहल्यां देवरूपिणीम्
अहल्यां देवरूपिणीम् तदा प्रभृति काकुत्स्थ पितृदेवाः समागताः अफलान् भुञ्जते मेषान् फलैस्तेषामयोजयन् इन्द्रस्तु मेषवृषणः तदा प्रभृति राघव गौतमस्य प्रभावेण तपसा च महात्मनः तदा गच्छ महातेजः आश्रमं पुण्यकर्मणः तारयैनां महाभागाम् अहल्यां देवरूपिणीम्.
From that time onward, O scion of Kakutstha, the celestial means collectively enjoy gilded rams alone and endow those offering them with the fruit of offering whole rams. And from that time onward, O scion of Prabhu, as an evidence of the spiritual power of the high soul Gautama, Indra has actually borne the testicles of a ram. Therefore, O exceptionally glorious prince, step into the hermitage of Gautama, who has performed virtuous deeds and redeemed this highly blessed woman Ahalya, who was here for invested with the celestial form. Tada prabhutika kutstha पितृदेवा समागताः फलान् भुञ्जते मेषान् फलैस्तेषामयोजयन् इन्द्रस्तु मेषवृषणः तदा प्रभृति राघव गौतमस्य प्रभावेण तपसा च महात्मनः तदा गच्छ महातेजः आश्रमं पुण्यकर्मणः तारयैना महाभागाम् अहल्यां देवरूपिणी. All those 4 verses together. विश्वामित्रवच श्रुत्वा
विश्वामित्रवच श्रुत्वा
राघवः सह लक्ष्मणः
विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य
आश्रमं प्रविवेशः ददर्श च महाभागाम् तपसा द्योतितप्रभाम् लोकैरपि समागम्य दुर्निरीक्ष्यां सुरासुरैः प्रयत्नान् निर्मितान् धात्रा दिव्यां मायामयीमिव सतुषारावृतां धूमेनाभिपरीताङ्गीम्. Sorry, I did.
धूमेनाभिपरीताङ्गीम् दीप्तामग्निशिखामिव
चतुषारावृतां साभ्राम्
स तुषारावृतां साभ्राम्
पूर्णचन्द्रप्रभामिव
पूर्णचन्द्रप्रभामिव
मध्येऽम्भसो दुराधर्षाम्
मध्येऽम्भसो दुराधर्षाम्
दीप्तां सूर्यप्रभामिव
दीप्तां सूर्यप्रभामिव विश्वामित्रवचः श्रुत्वा राघवः सह लक्ष्मणः विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य आश्रमं प्रविवेशः ददर्श च महाभागां तपसा द्योतितप्रभां लोकैरपि समागम्य दुर्निरीक्ष्यां सुरासुरैः प्रयत्नान् निमित्तान् धात्रा दिव्यां मायामयीमिव धूमेनाभिपरीताङ्गीं दीप्तामग्निशिखामिव सतुषारावृतां साभ्रां पूर्णचन्द्रप्रभामिव मध्येऽम्भसो दुराधर्षां दीप्तां सूर्यप्रभामिव.
Hearing the intercession of Vishwamitra, Sri Rama, a scion of Raghu, accompanied by Lakshmana, made his way into the hermitage, placing Vishwamitra at the head, so the tradition goes, and beheld the celestial lady, who was highly blessed in the sense that Sri Rama's eyes fell on her, whose effulgence had been brightened by austerities, who could not be easily perceived even by gods and demons, much less by earthly beings, even on drawing near due to the curse of Gautama, who had been produced by the Creator with great effort and looked like a product of magic, who looked like a blazing flame wrapped all over in smoke, or like the halo of the full moon obscured by a veneer of snow and screened by a cloud, or again like a dazzling bright circle of light around the sun appearing in the midst of water existing in clouds. We have this Rama's feet touched. So over
Yes.
here it is, Valmiki Ramayana says it's the glance that has.
So she was not a stone. We thought that she had turned into a stone. That is what some of the stories said.
Some of the stories say like that, but now it is like this out over here. Okay. He had turned her into
Imperceptible.
yeah, that she will have only Vayu Bhaksha. He turned her into a stone. In the previous chapter, she won't be, nobody would, she would be like oblivion to everybody. And only she can have wind. So I'll see through that 1 minute. That verse is there now.
Yeah, for many
29:30.
29:30.
See?
Lying.
Without food and drink, living on air. See, Vayu Bhaksha she is having. And remain lying on ashes full of remorse. So he has cursed her like that. Like oblivion to everything. And she would just be there. So little variations. So Valmiki Ramayana says what we should be very thorough with that aspect. Okay, now we go. विश्वामित्रवच श्रुत्वा राघवः सह लक्ष्मणः विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य आश्रमं प्रविवेशः ददर्श च महाभागां तपसा द्योतितप्रभां लोकैरपि समागम्य दुर्निरीक्षां सुरासुरैः प्रयत्नान् निर्मितान् धात्रा दिव्यां मायामयीमिव धूमेनाभिपरीताङ्गी दीप्तामग्निशिखामिव सतुषारावृतां साभ्रां पूर्णचन्द्रप्रभामिव मध्येऽम्भसो दुराधर्षां दीप्तां सूर्यप्रभामिव. Also, we have to think one. She was cursed, okay, for whatever doings she had, though knowing that she knew that it was Indra and not Gautama. She got cursed and all. But now, when Rama's glance has fallen and how she's being praised, that how noble, that we cannot even fathom how great she is. All these verses just now, the last things that we read. So one thing we'll have to see that we don't keep on talking the ill of that person, which we have a habit. Once a mistake is done, we keep on talking that that person did this, that person did this, that. Even if we don't tell about it on us, we are, no, he has done this to me, she has done this to me. Keep on weighing, keep on saying. Now, after that, we should be able to drop it. And especially when after punishment, again, not to keep on talking about it. We do that with our children and we punish something. And then afterwards, we'll talk about it again. So that is also not to be done. So, and also we should look into ourselves also. Are we so very perfect and we don't commit any mistakes? No, we do many times. And then what do we expect? We expect forgiveness. That please don't talk about it. I'm sorry. Don't highlight it. Don't keep on saying about it. We feel, right? So whatever we feel for ourselves should be treated. So this also, like the way she is praised now in last few verses, very beautiful. Okay. Did I finish reading? Yes, I did finish reading, right? Yeah.
I think, did we finish 8?
No. I finished reading or not, I was thinking. For you now, 16th one, Lataji.
Yeah.
Sahi Gautama Vakyena
Sa hi Gautama Vakyena
Durnireeksha Babhuvah
Durnirikshya Babhuvaha
Trayanamapi Lokanam
Trayanamapi Lokanam
Yavadramasya Darshanam
Yavadramasya Darshanam
Tapasyantamupagamya
Shapasyantamupagamya
Tesham Darshanamagata
Teshan Darshanamagata Sahi Gautama Vakyena Durniriksha Babhuvaha Trayanamapi Lokanam Yavadramasya Darshanam Shapasyantamupagamya Teshan Darshanamagata.
Thank you, Mataji. Under the curse of Gautama, really speaking, she had grown imperceptible to all the three worlds. See, pending her sight of Sri Rama, so it is said. Having reached the end of the curse, she had now come within the range of their sight. Sahi Gautama Vakyena Durnireeksha Babhuvah Trayanamapi Lokanam Yavadramasya Darshanam Shapasyantamupagamya Tesham Darshanamagata. Nikhilaji, we will complete the chapter and also next chapter's 2 verses to complete your 8 verses. Raghavau tu tada tasyaha
राघवौ तु तदा तस्याः
padau jagruhaturmuda
पादौ जगृहतुर्मुदा
स्मरन्ति गौतमवचः
स्मरन्ति गौतमवचः
प्रतिजग्राह साहितौ
प्रतिजग्राह साहितौ
पाद्यमर्घ्यन्तथातिथ्यम्
पाद्यमर्घ्यं तथातिथ्यन्
तिथ्यं मकार चकार सुसमाहिता
चकार सुसमाहिता
प्रतिजग्राह काकुत्स्थः
प्रतिजग्राह काकुत्स्थः
विदृष्टेन कर्मणा
विधिदृष्टेन कर्मणा राघवौ तु तदा तस्याः पादौ जगृहतुर्मुदा स्मरन्ति गौतमवचः प्रतिजग्राह साहितौ पादमर्घ्यं तथा पाद्यमर्घ्यं तथातिथ्यं चकार सुसमाहिता प्रतिजग्राह काकुत्स्थः विधिदृष्टेन कर्मणा.
Sri Rama and Lakshmana, the two sons of Raghu, of their part claps her feet with joy on that occasion, while she in her turn welcomed both, recalling, as she did, the prophecy of Gautama. Fully composed in mind, she offered to them with due ceremony as enjoined by the scriptural ordinance, water to wash their feet and hands with as well as other hospitality, and Sri Rama gladly accepted them. Raghavau tu tada tasyaha padau jagrahatur. See, Rama has touched her feet. Both of them, Raghavau, both the Raghavas, Rama and Lakshmana, tasyaha padau jagrahatuhu. Her feet they touched. So again, note the point. Valmiki Ramayana says one. So that means she is like an exalted soul. So beautiful. Bhagwan is touching her feet. Ah, what a moment, it is. Like man to touch feet. Raghavau tasyaha padau jagrahatuhu. And Muda, happily, they happily touched her feet. And that time, Smaranti Gautama, that time she remembers Gautama's Vakya and Pratijagraha Sahita. And then she offered Rama Padyam, Arghyam, everything. But first Rama touched her feet. Rama's feet didn't touch her. They touched her feet. Rama's sight brought her to the sight of the world. She was oblivion to the world. Nobody could see her. When Rama's drishti falls on her, then she gets her visibility and people are able to see her. Till then, people are not able to see. Even the Sheela or whatever we have. So even that is not mentioned only. She was oblivion to the world. World was not able to see her for so many years. So this is again a beauty of Valmiki, who has brought this out. And I loved that. Raghavatu tada tasyaha padau jagrahatuhu. My God, what a moment. Padyamarghyan tathatithyam chakara susamahita pratijagrahaka kutsthaha vidhidrishtena karmana. Oh my God, so much. Pushpavrishtir mahatyasit.
पुष्पवृष्टिर्महत्यासीत्
Devadundubinisvanaihi.
देवदुन्दुभिनिस्वनैः
गन्धर्वाप्सरसाञ्चैव
गन्धर्वाप्सरसाञ्चैव
महानासीत् समुत्सवः
महानासीत् समुत्सवः
साधु साध्विति देवास्ताम्
साधु साध्विति देवास्ताम्
अहल्यां समपूजयन्
अहल्यां समपूजयन्
तपोबलविशुद्धाङ्गीम्
तपोबलविशुद्धाङ्गीम्
गौतमस्य वशानुगाम्
गौतमस्य वशानुगाम् पुष्पवृष्टिर्महत्यासीत् देवदुन्दुभिनिस्वनैः गन्धर्वाप्सरसाञ्चैव महानासीत् समुत्सवः साधु साध्विति देवास्ताम् अहल्यां समपूजयन् तपोबलविशुद्धाङ्गीम् गौतमस्य वशानुगाम्.
There was an abundant shower of flowers from the heavens, accompanied by the beating of kettle drums by gods, and there followed a great rejoicing among Gandharvas and celestial names. The gods heartily applauded the aforesaid Ahalya, who had been perfectly purified of body by dint of her austerities, and now followed the will of Gautama in the words, good, excellent. पुष्पवृष्टिर्महत्यासीत् देवदुन्दुभिनिस्वनैः गन्धर्वाप्सरसाञ्चैव महानासीत् समुत्सवः साधु साध्विति देवास्ताम् अहल्यां समपूजयन् तपोबलविशुद्धाङ्गीम् गौतमस्य वशानुगाम् गौतमोऽपि महातेजाः
गौतमोऽपि महातेजाः
अहल्या सहितः सुखी
अहल्या सहितः सुखी
रामं सम्पूज्य विधिवत्
रामो सम्पूज्य विधिवत्
तपस्तेऽपि महातपाः
तपस्तेऽपि महातपाः
रामोऽपि परमां पूजाम्
रामोऽपि परमां पूजाम्
गौतमस्य महामुनेः
गौतमस्य महामुनेः
सकाशाद् विधिवत् प्राप्य
सकाशाद् विधिवत् प्राप्य
जगाम मिथिलान्ततः
जगाम मिथिलान्ततः
ॐ
गौत-
तत्सत्
ॐ तत्सत्
इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
वाल्मीकिहे आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे
वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे
एकोनपञ्चाशः सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
एकोनपञ्चाशः सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत् गौतमोऽपि महातेजाः अहल्यासहितः सुखी रामौ सम्पूज्य विधिवत् तपस्तेऽपि महातपाः रामोऽपि परमां पूजां गौतमस्य महामुनेः सकाशाद् विधिवत् प्राप्य जगाम मिथिलान्ततः ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे एकोनपञ्चः सर्गः
एकोनपञ्चाशः सर्गः
एकोनपञ्चाशः सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
Good. The exceptionally glorious Gautama too, who had evidently returned to his hermitage on being foretold of the advent of Sri Rama, felt happy in the company of Ahalya. Nay, having duly worshipped Sri Rama according to the scriptural ordinance, the great ascetic resumed his austerities. Having duly received the highest honor at the hands of the eminent sage Gautama, Sri Rama too proceeded from that hermitage to Mithila. Thus ends the canto 49 in Balakanda of the glorious Ramayana of Valmiki, the work of Rishi and the oldest epic. गौतमोऽपि महातेजाः अहल्या सहितः सुखी रामं सम्पूज्य विधिवत् तपस्तेऽपि महातपाः रामोऽपि परमां पूजां गौतमस्य महामुनेः सकाशात् विधिवत् प्राप्य जगाम मिथिलान्ततः ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिः आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे एकोनपञ्चाशः सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्. Let's dive into the next chapter. Yes, but you would do the 2 verses, Nikhilaj. So, Atha Panchashah Sargah, Sri Rama and others reach Mithila and are received in advance by King Janaka, headed by his family priest Shatananda. Vishwamitra satisfies their curiosity about the 2 princes of Ayodhya. ततः प्रागुत्तरां गत्वा
ततः प्रागुत्तरां गत्वा
रामः सौमित्रिणा सह
रामः सौमित्रिणा सह
विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य
विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य
यज्ञवाटमुपागमत्
यज्ञवाटमुपागमत्
रामस्तु मुनिशार्दूलम्
रामस्तु मुनिशार्दूलम्
उवाच सह लक्ष्मणः
उवाच सह लक्ष्मणः
साध्वी यज्ञसमृद्धिर्हि
साध्वी यज्ञसमृद्धिर्हि
जनकस्य महात्मनः
जनकस्य महात्मनः ततः प्रागुत्तरं गत्वा रामः सौमित्रिणा सह विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य यज्ञवाटिमुपा गमत् रामस्तु मुनिशार्दूलम् उवाच सह लक्ष्मणः साध्वी यज्ञसमृद्धिर्हि जनकस्य महात्मनः
Yajnavatam. Did you say Vati?
यज्ञवाट
Okay. I felt you said Vati. Thank you, Mithulaji. Proceeding in the northeasterly direction from the said hermitage and placing Vishwamitra at the head of the party, Sri Rama, accompanied by Lakshmana, son of Sumitra, reached the sacrificial enclosure of Janaka, the king of Mithila. Sri Rama, for his part, along with Lakshmana, remarked to Vishwamitra, a tiger among hermits, excellent. Indeed is the preparation made for the sacrifice undertaken by the high-souled Janaka. ततः प्रागुत्तरां गत्वा रामः सौमित्रिणा सह विश्वामित्रं पुरस्कृत्य यज्ञवाटमुपागमत् रामस्तु मुनिशार्दूलम् उवाच सह लक्ष्मणः साध्वी यज्ञसमृद्धिर्हि जनकस्य महात्मनः. Next 8 verses. Sajeev ji. बहूनीह सहस्राणि
नानादेशनिवासिनां ब्राह्मणानां महाभाग वेदाध्ययनशालिनां
ऋषिवाटाश्च दृश्यन्ते
शकटीशतशङ्कुलाः
देशो विधीयतां ब्रह्मन् यत्र वत्स्यामहे वयम्
बहूनीह सहस्राणि नानादेशनिवासिनां ब्राह्मणानां महाभाग वेदाध्ययनशालिनां ऋषिवाटाश्च दृश्यन्ते शकटीशतसङ्कुलाः देशो विधीयतां ब्रह्मन् यत्र वत्स्यामहे वयम्.
Many thousands of Brahmanas enriched with the studies of the Vedas and living in different parts of the country can be seen here, as well as small enclosures set apart for rishis and full of hundreds of carts carrying the requisites for the Agnihotra or daily oblations to the sacred fire. O highly blessed sage, let a suitable site be selected where we should halt, O Holy One. बहूनीह सहस्राणि नानादेशनिवासिनां ब्राह्मणानां महाभाग वेदाध्ययनशालिनां ऋषिवाटाश्च दृश्यन्ते शकटीशतसङ्कुलाः देशो विधीयतां ब्रह्मन् यत्र वत्स्यामहे वयम्. रामस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः निवासमकरोद्देशे विविक्ते सलिलान्विते रामस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः निवासमकरोद्देशे विविक्ते सलिलान्विते. Hearing the submission of Sri Rama, the great sage Vishwamitra halted at a secluded and a clean spot, supplied with water. Ramasya vachanam shrutva Vishwamitro Mahamunihi Nivasamakarodeshe Vivikte Salilanvite. Next 5 together, and that will be your set, a complete of 8 verses. Vishwamitra
Vishwamitramanuppraptam
Shrutva nrupavarastada शतानन्दं पुरस्कृत्य
शतानन्दं पुरस्कृत्य
पुरोहितमनिन्दितः
पुरोहितमनिन्दितः
ऋत्विजोऽपि महात्मानः. Aha, 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mahatmanah only. Okay.
ऋत्विजोऽपि महात्मानः
Arghyamadaya Satvaram. So Mahatmanastu Arghyamadaya. So tu should come which side I was calculating, but it is on the other side only. So I think we should keep it together. Tvarghyamadaya Satvaram, to start a pada like that. Though it is not wrong, but it is. We'll do it full on it because it's not sounding. It's correct to break over there. Legally, it's right. Sounding is not correct. ऋत्विजोऽपि महात्मानस्त्वर्घ्यमादाय सत्वरम्.
ऋत्विजोऽपि महात्मानस्त्वर्घ्यमादाय सत्वरम्
प्रत्युज्जगाम सहसा
प्रत्युज्जगाम सहसा
विनयेन समन्वितः.
विनयेन समन्वितः
विश्वामित्राय धर्मेण
विश्वामित्राय धर्मेण
ददौ धर्म पुरस्कृतम्.
ददौ धर्म पुरस्कृतम्
प्रतिगृह्यतु तां पूजाम्.
प्रतिगृह्यतु तां पूजाम्
जनकस्य महात्मनः
जनकस्य महात्मनः
अप्रच्छ कुशलं राज्ञः.
पप्रच्छ कुशलं राज्ञः
यज्ञस्य च निरामयम्.
यज्ञस्य च निरामयम्
ततांश्चाथ मुनीन् पृष्ट्वा
सतांश्चाथ मुनीन् पृष्ट्वा
सोपाध्याय पुरोधसः.
सोपाध्याय पुरोधसः
यथार्हमृषिभिः सर्वैः.
मृषिभिः सर्वैः.
So when we are not able to say, we can break and say it, but it will sound full. The word is yatharham rishibhi. So when we say yatharham rishibhi will automatically happen.
यथार्हं ऋषिभिः सर्वैः
Correct. Samagachat prahishtavat.
समागच्छत् प्रहष्टवत्
अथ राजा मुनिश्रेष्ठम्.
अथ राजा मुनिश्रेष्ठम्
कृताञ्जलिरभाषत.
कृताञ्जलिरभाषत विश्वामित्रमनुप्राप्तं श्रुत्वा नृपरवस्तदा शतानन्दं पुरस्कृत्य पुरोहितमनिन्दितः ऋत्विजोऽपि महात्मानस्त्वर्घ्यमादाय सत्वरं प्रत्युज्जगाम सहसा विनयेन समन्वितः विश्वामित्राय धर्मेण ददौ धर्म पुरस्कृतं प्रतिगृह्यतु तां पूजां जनकस्य महात्मनः पप्रच्छ कुशलं राज्ञः यज्ञस्य च निरामयम् सतांश्चाथ मुनीन् पृष्ट्वा सोपाध्याय पुरोधसः यथार्हमृषिभिः सर्वैः समागच्छत् प्रहष्टवत् अथ राजा मुनिश्रेष्ठं कृताञ्जलिरभाषत
Hearing of Vishwamitra having arrived with his party on that occasion, the irreproachable Janaka, the foremost of the kings, full of humility, went forth all at once in a hurry to meet him, placing at the head his family priest Shatananda, son of Gautama, another high soul priest officiating at his sacrifice, and taking water to wash the hands of the distinguished guests, and offered it to Vishwamitra, along with other items of hospitality, such as Madhuparka, in accordance with the scriptural ordinance. Madhuparka, a refreshing drink consisting of curd, ghee, water, honey, and sugar can tea. Dati sarpi jalam kshaudram, sita chaitaishcha panchabhi, prochate madhuparkaha. In many of the Maharashtrian pujas, this is used as panchamrit. This combination, Dadhi, Sarpa, Jala, Shaudra, Sita. So, Jala, no, there is one more other item from the cow that they add, and they will say Pan. So, now Madhuparka. When we are doing the Nitya Pujas and all, one of the offering is Madhuparka. So, this mixture. So, otherwise, people just offer some honey. Where are we? Madhuparka, in accordance with the scriptural ordinance, accepting the aforesaid hospitality of the high soul Janaka, Vishwamitra, for his part, inquired after the welfare of Janaka as well as about the unhampered progress of his sacrificial performance. Inquiring after the welfare of those hermits too that had accompanied the king as well as that of the priest officiating at the sacrifice, and Shatananda, the family priest, he next embraced all the rishis in order of seniority with great delight. The king then submitted to Vishwamitra, the foremost of hermits, with folded hands as follows. Vishwamitra manupraptam shrutva nrupavarastada shatanandam puraskritya purohitamaninditaha ritvijopi mahatmanasvargyamadaya satvaram pratyujjagama sahasa gunayena samanvitaha Vishwamitraya dharmena dadau dharma puraskritam pratigryhyatu tam puja janakasya mahatmanaha pracha kushalan rajnyaha vapracha kushalam rajnyaha yajnasya cha niramayaha satamschath munin hrishtva sopadhyaya purodhasaha yathaham rishibhis sarvaihi samagacchatra hrishtvat अथ राजा मुनिश्रेष्ठं कृताञ्जलिरभाषत. Next 8 verses, Radha Krishnan too. आसने भगवानास्ताम्
आसने भगवानास्ताम्
सहैभिः. There is should be सहैभिः. सहैभिर्मुनिपुङ्गवैः जनकस्य वचः श्रुत्वा निशसाद महामुनिः पुरोधारुत्विजश्चैव राजा च सह मन्त्रिभिः आसनेषु यथा न्यायम् उपविष्टाः समन्ततः दृष्ट्वा सनृपतिस्तत्र विश्वामित्रमथा ब्रवीत् अद्य यज्ञ समृद्धिर्मे सफला दैवतः कृता
आसने भगवानास्ताम् सहैभिर्मुनिपुङ्गवैः जनकस्य वचः श्रुत्वा निशसाद महामुनिः पुरोधारुत्विजश्चैव राजा च सह मन्त्रिभिः आसनेषु यथा न्यायम् उपविष्टा समन्ततः दृष्ट्वा स नृपतिस्तत्र विश्वामित्रमथा ब्रवीत् अद्य यज्ञसमृद्धिर्मे सफला दैवतैः कृता.
Let your holiness be seated on the seat offered by me along with these jewels among assets. Hearing the request of Janaka, the great sage Vishwamitra sat down. Shatananda, Janaka's family priest, as well as the priests officiating at the sacrifice, and the king himself with his ministers sat down on their seats in order of seniority on all sides of Vishwamitra at his request. Turning his eyes towards Vishwamitra, the said king then spoke to him as follows in that assembly. The preparations made for my sacrificial performance have been fulfilled by the gods today. So again, the dharmic gurus get higher position than the kings. The king is sitting down. This humility, this order, the sitting according to the seniority, it's like an untold thing and every person has to request. But nowadays it's not like, no, I'm a minister. The poor guru will be a sannyasi, he will have no respect and they'll have to, they sit on the higher chairs. They don't give the any. But see over here, so much in that verse that a king is sitting down, king is washing feet, king is doing the things, not his servants. For us then, who are the king, and the king is also knowledgeable, not an ordinary king. King is also Jivan Mukta Vandi over there, Janak Maharaj. आसने भगवानास्तां सहैर्मुनिपुङ्गवैः जनकस्य वच श्रुत्वा निषसाद महामुनिः पुरोधारुद्विजश्चैव राजा च सह मन्त्रिभिः आसनेषु यथा न्यायम् उपविष्टा समन्ततः दृष्ट्वा स नृपतिस्तत्र विश्वामित्रमथा ब्रवीत् अद्य यज्ञसमृद्धिर्मे सफला दैवतः कृता. Some unwanted thought came in the head, but I'll express out and keep. There was one scene in the Delhi thing when the Prime Minister that time, who was Manmohan Singh, and this Sonia Gandhi, they arrived at some meeting, and on the chair allocated a higher chair for the Prime Minister, Manmohan Singh ji went and sat on that, but she gave him such a look, poor thing, he had to get up and go, and she sat on that chair. Leave aside for the gurus and sannyasis, but the Prime Minister of the country had nothing. What a shame. And we continued like that for a decade with that kind of a Prime Minister, and our own people had elected him for the second time, knowing he was a remote control Prime Minister. There is such a scene. If I get a video, I can share that she gave him such a glance and he had to leave that seat for her. And how they will understand our scriptures. The people who don't understand the scriptures, if they rule, then what is our state then? That's why we'll have to vote wisely whom we want. We should, wherever we are in the world, because of so many of you in our election time, we have to come. But election time, 4 months, 6 months before, you have to see your name is there in the voting list or not of your area. If not, you have to move papers to get your name into it so that all NRIs come here to vote so that we can breathe peacefully, upholding the scriptures and it. That is so very important. The ruler should know the scriptures. I finished reading, I think. Yes. Okay. Now next 5 all together and you would complete your put of 8 verses. Adya yajna phalam praptam.
Adya yajna phalam praptam.
Bhagavad darshanan maya.
Bhagavad darshanan maya.
Dhanyosmi anugrihitosmi.
Dhanyosmi anugrihitosmi.
Yasya me muni pungavaha.
Yasya me muni pungavaha.
Yajñopasadanam brahman.
Yajñopasadanam brahman.
Praptosi munibhis saha.
Praptosi munibhis saha.
Dvadashaham tu brahmarshe.
Dvadashaham tu brahmarshe.
Dikshamahur manishinaha.
Dikshamahurmanishinaha.
Tato bhagarthino devan.
Tado bhagarthino devan.
द्रष्टुमर्हसि कौशिक
द्रष्टुमर्हसि कौशिक
इत्युक्त्वा मुनिशार्दूलम्
इत्युक्त्वा मुनिशार्दूलम्
प्रहृष्टवदनस्तदा
प्रहृष्टवदनस्तदा
पुनस्तः परिपप्रच्छ
पुनस्तं परिपप्रच्छ
प्राञ्जलिः प्रयतो नृपः
प्राञ्जलिः प्रयतो नृपः
इमौ कुमारौ भद्रन्ते
इमौ कुमारौ भद्रन्ते
देवतुल्यपराक्रमौ
देवतुल्यपराक्रमौ
गजतुल्यगतिवीरौ
गजतुल्यगतिवीरौ
शार्दूलवृषभोपमौ
शार्दूलवृषभोपमौ
पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षौ
पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षौ
खड्गतूणी खड्गतूणी धनुर्धरौ
खड्गतूणी धनुर्धरौ
अश्विनाविवरूपेण
अश्विनाविवरूपेण
समुपस्थितयौवनौ
समुपस्थितयौवनौ अद्य यज्ञफलं प्राप्तं भगवद्दर्शनान्मया धन्योऽस्यनुगृहीतोऽस्मि यस्य मे मुनिपुङ्गवः यज्ञोपसदनं ब्रह्मन् प्राप्तोऽसि मुनिभिः सह द्वादशाहं तु ब्रह्मर्षे दीक्षामाहुर्मनीषिणः ततो भागार्थिनो देवान् द्रष्टुमर्हसि कौशिक इत्युक्त्वा मुनिशार्दूलं प्रहृष्टवदनस्तदा पुनस्तं परिपप्रच्छ प्राञ्जलिः प्रयतो नृपः इमौ कुमारो भद्रन्ते देवतुल्यपराक्रमौ गजतुल्यगदीवीरौ शार्दूलवृषभोपमौ पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षौ खड्गतूणीधनुर्धरौ अश्विनाविवरूपेण समुपस्थितयौवनौ.
Somebody at Daily Gita, please message and borrow 10 minutes. We'll complete the chapter. 7 verses are there. Nay, the fruit of sacrifice has been attained by me this very day through your holiness, sight alone. I feel blessed and indebted to you in that you, the foremost of ascetics, have arrived at my sacrificial grounds along with a number of sages. The wise among the priests, O Brahmana Rishi, declare that my sacrificial vow is to continue for 12 more days only. After that, O scion of Kusha, you will see with your clairvoyant vision the gods who appear in person seeking their share of sacrificial offerings. Having submitted to Vishwamitra, the veritable tiger among sages, as aforesaid on that occasion, the king, piously disposed as he was, questioned him once more with a cheerful countenance and folded hands as follows. May God bless you. These two valiant lads, who are equal in prowess to the gods, and whose gait resembles that of an elephant, look like a tiger and a bull respectively, having eyes as large as the petals of lotus, and carrying, as they do on their person, a sword, quiver, and bow each. They be the Ashwins, the twin-born physicians of gods, celebrated for their physical charm, in their comeliness of form, and stand at the threshold of youth. अद्य यज्ञफलं प्राप्तं भगवद्दर्शनान् मया धन्योऽस्म्यनुगृहीतोऽस्मि यस्य मे मुनिपुङ्गवः यज्ञोपसदनं ब्रह्मन् प्राप्तोऽसि मुनिभिः सह द्वादशाहं तु ब्रह्मर्षे दीक्षामाहुर्मनीषिणः ततो भागार्थिनो देवान् द्रष्टुमर्हसि कौशिक इत्युक्त्वा मुनिशार्दूलं प्रहृष्टवदनस्तदा पुनस्तं परिपप्रच्छ स्त्राञ्जलिः प्रयतो नृपः इमौ कुमारौ भद्रन्ते देवतुल्यपराक्रमौ गजतुल्यगतिवीरौ शार्दूलवृषभोपमौ पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षौ खड्गतूणीधनुर्धरौ अश्विनाविवरूपेण समुपस्थितयौवनौ. Last 7 verses, Shobhaji, please start. यदृच्छयेव गां प्राप्तौ
यदृच्छयेव गां प्राप्तौ
कथं पद्भ्यामिह देवलोकादिवामरौ
देवलोकादिवामरौ
कथं पद्भ्यामिह प्राप्तौ
कथं पद्भ्यामिह प्राप्तौ
किमर्थं कस्य वा मुने
किमर्थं कस्य वा मुने यदृच्छयेव गां प्राप्तौ देवलोकादिवामरौ कथं पद्भ्यामिह प्राप्तौ किमर्थं कस्य वा मुने.
Nay, they look like a pair of gods descended on earth from the celestial plane of their own will. How and what for, or for whose sake have they travelled on foot to this place, O sage? यदृच्छयेव गां प्राप्तौ देवलोकादिवामरौ कथं पद्भ्यामिह प्राप्तौ किमर्थं कस्य वा मुने वरायुधधरौ वीरौ
वरायुधधरौ वीरौ
कस्य पुत्रौ महामुने
कस्य पुत्रौ महामुने
भूषयन्ताभिमं देशम्
भूषयन्ताभिमं देशम्
चन्द्रसूर्याविवाम्बरम्
चन्द्रसूर्याविवाम्बरम्
परस्परस्य सदृशौ
परस्परस्य सदृशौ
प्रमाणेङ्गितचेष्टितैः
प्रमाणेङ्गितचेष्टितैः
काकपक्षधरौ वीरौ
काकपक्षधरौ वीरौ
श्रोतुमिच्छामि तत्त्वतः
श्रोतुमिच्छामि तत्त्वतः वरायुधधरौ वीरौ कस्य पुत्रौ महामुने भूषयन्ताविमं देशम् चन्द्रसूर्याविवाम्बरम् परस्परस्य सदृशौ प्रमाणेङ्गितचेष्टितैः काकपक्षधरौ वीरौ श्रोतुमिच्छामि तत्त्वतः.
Sons, O great sage, may be the two heroes wielding excellent weapons. I wish to hear in reality about the two gallant youths who are gracing this land, even as the moon and the sun illumine the sky, who are replicas of each other in the size of their body, in the outer expression of their feelings, as well as in the movements of their body, and who wear side locks on their head. वरायुधधरौ वीरौ कस्य पुत्रौ महामुने भूषयन् किमं देशं चन्द्रसूर्याविवाम्बरं परस्परस्य सदृशौ प्रमाणेङ्गितचेष्टितैः काकपक्षधरौ वीरौ श्रोतुमिच्छामि तत्त्वतः तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा जनकस्य महात्मनः न्यवेदयदमेयात्मा पुत्रौ दशरथस्य तौ
तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा जनकस्य महात्मनः न्यवेदयदमेयात्मा पुत्रौ दशरथस्य तौ.
Hearing the aforesaid inquiry of King Janaka, who was well known to be an exalted soul. See, just a little while ago we said, no, he was Jivan Mukta, sage Vishwamitra, who wields immense spiritual power, declared them to be sons of Emperor Dasharatha. तस्य तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा जनकस्य महात्मनः न्यवेदयदमेयात्मा पुत्रौ दशरथस्य तौ सिद्धाश्रमनिवासं
सिद्धाश्रमनिवासञ्च
राक्षसानां वधं तथा
राक्षसानां वधन् तथा
तत्रागमनमव्यग्रम्
तत्रागमनमव्यग्रम्
विशालायाश्च दर्शनम्
विशालायाश्च दर्शनम्
अहल्या दर्शनं चैव
अहल्या दर्शनं चैव
गौतमेन समागमम्
गौतमेन समागमम्
महाधनुषि जिज्ञासाम्
महाधनुषि जिज्ञासाम्
कर्तुमागमनं तथा
कर्तुमागमनं तथा सिद्धाश्रमनिवासञ्च राक्षसानां वधन् तथा तत्रागमनमव्यग्रम् विशालायाश्च दर्शनम् अहल्यादर्शनं चैव गौतमेन समागमम् महाधनुषि जिज्ञासा कर्तुमागमनं तथा.
He also told Janaka of their intrepid journey to and sojourn at Siddhashrama, as well as about the destruction of augurs at their hands, nay, the visit to Vishala and calling on Ahalya, as well as of their meeting with sage Gautama, and finally of their visit to Mithila, in order to know about the great bow kept by Janaka for testing the valor of those suing the hand of his daughter. सिद्धाश्रमनिवासं च राक्षसानां वधं तथा तत्रागमनमव्यग्रं विशालायाश्च दर्शनम् अहल्यादर्शनं चैव गौतमेन समागमं महाधनुषि जिज्ञासां कर्तुमागमनं तथा एतत् सर्वं महातेजाः
एतत् सर्वं महातेजाः
जनकाय महात्मने निवेद्य विररामाथ
निवेद्य विररामाथ
विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे
वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 50 सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 50 सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत् एतत् सर्वं महातेजाः जनकाय महात्मने निवेद्य विररामाथ विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 50 सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्.
Thank you, Shobhaji. Having related all this to the high soul Janaka, the great sage Vishwamitra, who was exceptionally glorious, forthwith paused. Thus ends the canto 50 in the Balakand of the glorious Ramayana of Valmiki, the work of a rishi and the oldest epic. एतत् सर्वं महातेजाः जनकाय महात्मने निवेद्य विररामाथ विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डे 50 सर्गः Hari Om Tat Sat. Shri Sita Ramachandrarpanamastu. With his Ananta Kripa, we have completed again two sargas, 49th and the 50th. Next week we continue further. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadagya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Sita Ramachandrarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Hope to see you all on the 2 Saturday talks. See ya. Hari Om.
Thank you so much, Varshaji. Learned so many new things today. Thank you.
Hari Om, Varshaji. Thank you.
Hari Om, Balama. Balama, I called you. You were not there in the team.
No, I was there, but I muted the thing. Next time I'll be on the video on Kim.
Yeah, no, I said Balama, but you didn't respond. To start, in the starting only I had called you.
Okay.
Anyways, doesn't matter. But then afterwards, I didn't check also if your video was on any time. I'm sorry, Balama.
No, I was. It's okay, madam. Okay, ma. Sorry. Hari Om.
Hari Om, say Hari Om.
Hari Om, Varshaji.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Yo, Varshaji.
Hari Om.